On this episode, if I bought them all, could you do a deal?
It's dirty. But his whole house is dirty.
Oh.
Just like.
How much are your shoes? All right, to clean his shoes, we got our Pure Castle soap. What's the deal, Candy Crew? It's your girl, Miss Taffy, just like the candy. And around here, we chase after new deals year round. Today gonna be a great video. First of all, I dished the Goodwill bins. I cheated on them for some yard sales and it paid off. Gonna do the giveaway. It will not let me be great, but yes, we're gonna do the giveaway. We're gonna have some good sales. Stay tuned. One more thing, y'all. Add me on the Whatnot auctions. MS_Taffy, Taffy. Gonna be doing some auctions starting off at $1. So add me now. Gonna be some great deals, y'all. All right, let's get into this video. But first, let's pick the winners. And thanks to everyone that commented and participated. First winner is Hustle Q. He's also a California reseller. Check out his channel if y'all haven't already. Second winner is Cassidy. Congratulations, girl. And the third winner is Me More. To claim y'all prizes, send me a private message on Instagram. Chasing them deals. Good morning. I'm sorry, how much are your hats?
They're $1.
$1 each? If I bought them all, could you do a deal?
Yeah.
Okay, how much? Those, so the white ones and the blue ones.
Okay. There's 18, so I could do $10.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I'm gonna make a pal.
Yeah.
Where can I put them?
Let me see if I can get this one.
Okay, thank you. Hi. Finding yourself?
It's a good deal.
Yeah, amazing deal. I'm gonna see what else I could get. I just don't want to buy the ground right here.
Where the baseball caps at?
Yes, you can.
The Suns. One of the guys we know, they had the tips of the ears cut off because they got too sunburned.
Oh, really?
They had to cut them off. What? But there's still, millions of people.
Yeah.
What do you want for this?
Take it.
Huh?
Take it. I'll get two.
Oh.
Question, are these new or used?
They're new.
Okay.
There's a box of Adidas.
Okay. Is this an older toy or is it recent?
I think it's recent. I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay. How much is this?
I'm asking 40.
40? Okay. I think.
Let's take an offer if you're interested.
Okay, let me think about it.
Yeah. Here's the thing. These are
Okay. Oh, okay.
disconnected. They just need to be soldered
Okay.
I believe to these right here.
Okay.
I couldn't do it.
Okay. Let me think about that one. How much do I owe you, sir?
What?
I was talking to him. Sorry. It's okay.
So this one I'm asking 5. So it's 15 and then 2, so 17.
Okay.
I can give it to you for $25 if you want.
Okay. Let me see.
$3, right?
Okay. Yes.
Thank you. Like,
Is every piece in there?
yeah.
Okay.
Except for the cars, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I only see 3 cars. I don't know if it has to come with all of them or.
You said 20.
Yeah.
Comment down below. Would you guys have taken that chance and purchased this track for $20?
Yeah.
Chasing them deals.
No, ahorita venimos. Ahorita venimos.
Hi. How much are your shoes?
Those are 12, honey.
Okay. All right, thank you. Can you do 10 for both of these?
$15 for both.
12. Thank you.
And it's a good brand. Let me see if I...
Huh?
No.
Okay.
I'm sorry, honey. I'm thinking out loud.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
Have a great
enjoy.
Thank you. Have a great day.
you.
No problem. Chasing. Hello.
All the clothes on the tables are $1.
Okay. Who do I pay?
Thank you.
Chasing at the new deals.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks for asking.
But you need a coffee table?
Huh? No, I was looking at the Ranger.
Cross brew?
Yeah.
It's brand new. It's dirty. It's never been used.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was just in that. It was in like a storage that my neighbor just brought over to me. Him.
Okay.
And I don't know how to use them.
How much are you asking for it?
Oh God. I don't know. Like $20.
Okay, let me see.
It's dirty. But his whole house is dirty.
Oh.
Just like vacuum cleaner he gave me. He gave it to me full. I'm like,
Oh, he did?
yeah, let me just empty it. Their whole house is like that though.
Uh-oh.
Well, I think you could just give me 15 for it.
Okay, let me go with the gun for sure.
Okay.
Let me see. How much are your games?
I gotta ask him when it comes out. I think he was asking 5, but he'll probably do less than that.
Okay.
The games wasn't worth much, so I left them behind.
Oh, okay, cool. He said $3.
Okay.
They were 5 this morning, but
I guess time went by. He said it's 9:53. Yes, it's still morning. Yes.
God, it's already go in.
Oh, you're gonna end it short?
No, but it feels like it's 9:53. I got out here. I guess I got everything set up at 7, but
Oh yeah.
we
Okay.
had a big, like, huge wave,
Uh-huh.
and then it stopped, and then another wave. I haven't done a sale out here in years. I used to do them in West Hills at my mom's. It's a
Okay.
whole
Oh, I
different
like
crowd.
this. Okay, so
Vintage Fubu always does well for me, so of course I snagged this shirt.
do you know how much you charged me for all 4 of these items?
Huh?
You know how much?
She said 15 for the this, right?
Yes.
And just give me $5 for this.
Okay, so $20.
Yeah, can be that.
Okay, that's a good deal. Here we go. 20.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
You help me car?
I'm right here. Thank you, though. I appreciate it, bro. Good morning. Okay. How much are your shoes?
This is just $4.
$4?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get them.
Y'all be sure to follow me on Whatnot. I'm going to be auctioning off these Jordans starting off at $1.
1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
on the $4 bin? I'm not sure.
Yes.
I love you, Ken.
Thank you so
Oh my
much.
God, beautiful.
I appreciate it.
Here's your cane.
All right, thank you so much. You have a great day, Kay.
You too.
All right, to clean the shoes, we got our Pure Castle soap, the shoes, of course, and a bucket of water. Let's get to cleaning. All right, here's the one I cleaned. Ooh, looking real nice. Here's the dirty one. Let me clean this one so we can get these listed. Candy Crew, once again, please add me on the Whatnot Auctions app, Miss Taffy, MS_Taffy. I'm gonna have some dope items on there, starting off at just $1. Why not? Come join me. All right, y'all. Until the next video, keep hustling, staying positive. TTYL.